served its time and Mike flipped it over.
And then axed off its leg.
And then axed it. So I think it's been through enough pain.
Wait.
Oh dear, that was really close.
Oh man, it's plastic. My bad.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Bye, chair.
Aw, poor chair. It's done for.
It's done.
Wow. That's really flammable. Wow, my legs. Ow. My face.
I feel like a cop's gonna come be like, I think it's arson. I can't take it. My legs!
Wow. Oh dear, Shannon. That thing.
Wow, that like lit up the whole yard. Wow.
Johnny, you got it? You got your pictures?
That's crazy.
It's really hot
That thing's
inside
so
here.
fresh, it's like seared. Holy crap. Oh, my poor purse is like soaking. What the crap?
Go get it!
Oh my god.
Go get it!
Say hi to the car is driving.
Poor cat. Well, the cops coming over here.
Again.
My cup! Anybody need a cell phone? Grab it.
Ground is on fire.
Oh, I have my phone. I was looking for my phone and it was in my hand.
My purse melted. Look, it melted.
I swear to God, I
As he's recording himself looking for his phone.
you don't understand. I was literally.
It must have been consumed by the fire.
This is gonna be using a steering table. What happened to your phone? Water damage? No. Fire damage?
It burned. I'm gonna send this to my mom. This is the kind of bonfires we have in Connecticut. Not the normal kind.
I want to know if the stuff in it melted.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Hey, Skittles.
And James,
Wait, is your
the log is
Sour
still
Patch
there.
watermelons in
Yeah, it didn't even fall over. I
Good,
saved
because
it.
they better not be
Smaller
melted.
than the last one, though. Remember, because the last one was a couch.
Are they melted?
Was it? Well, the wicker coat. That was a wicker chair.
No, it was a couch.
Look at it.
Wicker coat?
Yeah, I got that.
Melted. Like, for real.
Wasn't it?
Such a shame.
That was plastic, though.
Plastic coated.
No, it was all plastic. I had a piece of that.
Remember that time when
We're all gonna get sick.